is Pepe Coin finally breaking below this support line here? And is Bitcoin as well breaking down below this support? Are we going to see new lows here for Pepe Coin, Bitcoin, and for the cryptocurrency space? And especially as we've seen in yesterday's videos, I've been warning you guys, 24 hours left before we see the FOMC meeting. Huge move coming in for the cryptocurrency world right now. Now, as we've just witnessed in the FOMC meeting, the Fed seems to be still determined to lower inflation. As we see here, Fed officials saw timely debt limit increase as essential. Almost all officials saw upside risks to inflation outlook. So this means that the overall outlook here is still they want to fight inflation, even though we still have the debt ceiling coming in for the US in the 1st of June. I do not think that they will let the US default on its credit. It is in the Fed's interest to show determination towards lowering inflation, even though that could be critical for the whole world economy here. Now, going back to Pepe Coin here, as I warned you in yesterday's video here, only 24 hours left, we actually seen this move here happen. And I told you yesterday that after we took this long here on Pepe Coin, we all were happy. We made 30% here on Pepe Coin. We were all happy. And then Pepe Coin came back again to the support line. And I told you on yesterday's video, everyone now will try to long every dip now on Pepe Coin, because those that missed this pump here now are trying to catch up. And if you watched my video here on the Pepe breakout video, we predicted exactly this move happened. We capitalized on it. We made some profits, and also we did not take this one here because it was obvious it's gonna break to the downside. We're still waiting, as I am waiting for the volume to pick up here. As I shown you in yesterday's video, I am waiting for the volume here on Pepe Coin to spike up as we seen here. This also means that we could still see some downside now here on Pepe Coin, possibly go back here, retest these lows here, maybe take out the stops around the 1054 level, take out the stops here, get some volume coming, and then we could see some upside here. So you want to stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated throughout the week about Pepe Coin, about Bitcoin, what's going on here. After a long time going sideways, we first time see the support broken, and it got broken especially because now BTC is as well breaking below this huge support. I'm still waiting for the daily candle here on BTC to break. If it closes like this below support, that means we could expect some drops here on BTC, possibly go lower, retest this trend line, go back to the 25k level, and this would also correlate with Pepe Coin going back here toward the 10 and the 11 level here on Pepe Coin. And one more thing here for Pepe, so after a long time consolidating sideways and only dropping after BTC dropped, that tells me that Pepe Coin is finding a support, and that the only reason it dropped is because BTC dropped as well. And now Pepe Coin is somewhat coupled to BTC, as now liquidity is getting lower and lower in Pepe Coin, because now the whole market is rotating back towards PTC, while now we have Pepe Coin forming up a support. This is still good news here for Pepe Coin, because now finally we could rest, we could see what's going on with Pepe Coin, we could see now we finally getting some sort of a support. And for those that are still waiting for dips on Pepe Coin, we could now have some sort of a support levels where we could accumulate more Pepe Coin here and wait for the whole cryptocurrency market to recover, as long as Pepe Coin is following BTC. And BTC is still overall bullish, as we've just went through a whole bear market year, and now we're finally breaking this trend. So overall BTC is looking bullish, and any dips on this uptrend here are major opportunities. And remember, nothing is financial advice. This is me sharing what I'm doing here, what I'm seeing here on the charts, keeping you updated. As for the FOMC and what the Feds are gonna do, and for the US debt ceiling for June, it would be very unlikely that they would not lift the debt ceiling. And if they do, that means we are going to have a bullish end of year here for Bitcoin, and we are going to have a bullish end of year for Pepe Coin here, as I do not think they would let the US just crash and default on its debts, and this would still be a bullish end of year here for BTC and Pepe Coins. Now don't forget to subscribe. I am updating you every day on what's going on with the market here live. Hope this was helpful to you guys. Leave a like. See you on the next video. Cheers.